Understanding Property Tax, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of property tax. This is a common term in financial and civic discussions. Understanding this term is not just about language, but also about knowing how local governments function. Let's dive in and make sense of property tax together. Property tax is a kind of tax that owners of land, buildings, or other types of property have to pay. It's based on the value of their property. The local government, like a city or county, usually collects this tax. The money from property taxes is used for public services like schools, roads, and emergency services. It's important to understand that property tax is a local tax, meaning it's not imposed by the federal government but by your local community. The calculation of property tax involves two key elements: the assessed value of the property and the tax rate. First, the property's value is assessed, often by a public official known as an assessor. This value may not be the same as the purchase price. It's usually a percentage of the property's market value. Then, the local government sets a tax rate, which is applied to the assessed value. This rate can change based on the community's needs and budgets. Property tax is a vital source of revenue for local governments. It funds essential services like public education, infrastructure maintenance, like roads and bridges, and emergency services, like police and fire departments. Understanding property tax helps residents know where a portion of their taxes goes and why paying this tax is important for the well-being of their community. It's important to know that property tax can vary greatly depending on where you live. Different areas have different tax rates and methods of assessing property value. In some places, property tax might be relatively high, while in others, it might be low. It's a good idea for property owners to be aware of these variations, especially if they plan to buy property in a different area. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of property tax. It's a key element in local governance and public services. As you continue learning English and exploring new terms, remember that understanding these concepts also gives insight into how societies function. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.